Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best method to enable two-factor authentication on Cash App. It's going to be a quick one as usual, so let's get straight into the video. So the best method to enable two-factor authentication on Cash App is to combine app level security with device protection. Activate your Cash App PIN and enable biometric authentication such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Ensure that your phone number and email are both verified, as these act as recovery and confirmation layers. Turn on notifications for login attempts and transactions so that any unusual activity is detected immediately. Avoid disabling security features for convenience, even temporarily. Strong authentication settings create an additional barrier against unauthorized access and significantly reduces the risk of account compromise. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.